Welcome to AI Beat, your weekly download on all things artificial intelligence. In the next 10 minutes, we'll be breaking down the biggest stories in AI from August 2nd and 3rd, 2025. On today's show, we're tracking a monumental shift in the regulatory world as the EU's landmark AI Act begins to bite. We'll also look at major moves from tech giants, with OpenAI launching a massive data center in Europe and Cognizant rolling out new services to feed the hungry beast of AI model training. And stick around for a glimpse into the future as China makes a major push into humanoid robots and innovative startups look to challenge the dominance of Google Chrome. Our top story this week is a game changer for the AI industry. On August 2nd, key provisions of the European Union's AI Act officially came into effect. This is no small development. It marks one of the first major legally binding frameworks for AI governance from a major global power. So what does this mean? For any company developing or deploying general-purpose AI models in the EU, the rules have changed. They now face strict obligations regarding transparency, risk management, and governance. Think of it as the end of the Wild West for AI development. Companies that don't comply could face staggering fines, fundamentally altering the risk calculus for AI deployment. This move by the EU is expected to have a ripple effect globally, setting a new standard for AI accountability. Now, let's turn to the industry titans and their latest initiatives. It's clear that AI continues to be the primary engine for growth across the tech sector, a trend confirmed by the latest quarterly financial results from major players. Underscoring this is OpenAI, which has just cut the ribbon on its first European AI data center, dubbed Stargate Norway. This is part of a colossal $2 billion partnership with Nscale and Acre and signals a massive expansion of OpenAI's global infrastructure and processing power. Meanwhile, IT services giant Cognizant has launched new AI training data services. This highlights a crucial, if less glamorous, part of the AI ecosystem, the need for high-quality, well-structured data to train and refine AI models. It's a sign of a maturing market where specialized services are becoming essential, and it's not just corporations making moves. The US government is also keenly aware of AI's strategic importance, with senators actively looking for ways to attract more investment into the American tech and AI sectors. However, with great power comes great scrutiny. The US Department of Justice is reportedly probing Google's deal with the AI firm Character AI. This kind of investigation shows that regulators are keeping a close watch on the big players to ensure a competitive market, especially as the generative AI space consolidates. From the giants to the innovators, let's look at what's emerging on the technological frontier. One of the most exciting developments is China's significant push into the field of humanoid robots. This initiative is aimed at creating new forms of automation and advancing human-robot interaction, pushing the boundaries of what physical AI can achieve. And while new hardware is exciting, there's also critical research happening on the economic impact of these technologies. A recent paper from the US Federal Reserve explored the potential effects of generative AI on labor market productivity. This kind of analysis is crucial for understanding the broad societal shifts that AI will bring. The startup world continues to be a hotbed of innovation. The French AI startup Mistral is reportedly in negotiations for a massive $1 billion funding round. This level of investment shows incredible investor confidence in emerging players who are bringing fresh approaches to AI. We're also seeing startups take aim at established products. A new wave of intelligent browsers is being developed with the goal of challenging Google Chrome's long-held dominance. These startups, like Perplexity, believe they can offer a smarter, more intuitive browsing experience by leveraging AI. Innovation is also happening at the ground level. The platform Imagine Bo has introduced a new Describe Your Idea feature, which simplifies the process for startups to input their product concepts and get started. It's tools like these that help nurture novel ideas from the very beginning. This focus on nurturing new talent is a growing conversation, with many recognizing the importance of mentorship for promising technologists with groundbreaking AI concepts. That's all the time we have for this week on AI Beat. The big takeaway? The AI landscape is maturing at a rapid pace. The implementation of the EU AI Act signals a new era of regulation and accountability. At the same time, investment continues to pour in, from OpenAI's massive infrastructure projects to the billion-dollar ambitions of startups like Mistral. And with developments in everything from humanoid robots to intelligent browsers, the pace of innovation shows no signs of slowing down. Thanks for tuning in. Join us again next week as we continue to track the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.